Hey everyone, today we are gonna see if I can guess who my dogs are with my blindfold on. Oh, I know it. Oh my gosh. This is such an easy one. This is Rosa? Yeah. Lovey. Is it Lovey?
Yep. Here's a leash.
Arthur. Arthur?
Yeah. Okay, both hands out.
This is Tammy.
Yeah.
You do know your dogs.
I could do this one right now. This is Leroy. This one? Oh, I know it. Hold on. I know this dog. Wait. It's Harley.
Yeah.
Harley. Oh my gosh. This is a tough one because it could be, is this Marnie?
No.
Ray?
Yep.
Ray.
Yeah.
Bane.
Yeah. Arms out.
Eric. It's Eric?
Yeah, I didn't walk away.
Too easy.
Arms out.
It's a small one.
Kind of.
Oh, this is Matilda. I can smell you. I know you before you go. I know you, Matilda.